What's up, guys? Check out these really nice storage straps. These are perfect for the garage, for hanging your garden hoses. They also work great holding your extension cords and just keeping them off the ground, keeping everything nice and tidy. I love how thick these are. These are like a 2-inch thick nylon, really strong. Has a nice aluminum buckle on here. It's really easy to hang on a screw. So it comes in a 4-pack with 2 different sizes. The medium one is 13.8 inches and the large one here is 17.8. The large one can hold over 100 feet of hose, and I just love how easy it is to use. So you just take the strap, put it around your hose, and there's this little clasp here, and it just slides right over that nylon strap. And just by gravity, it cinches down on itself and keeps it nice and tight. On the top here, you can actually adjust the length of it too. So you can just pull it right through, and just keep it nice and tight, just like that. So overall, these are really nice storage straps. They're high quality. They can hold over like 100 pounds each, and are just, you can tell they're really solid. So if you're looking to keep your garage or workspace organized, these storage straps are a great choice. Thanks for watching.